Hey everyone, have you ever found yourself staring at your Monzo app, scratching your head and wondering, how do I actually talk to a real person? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Monzo customer service and uncover the best ways to get your questions answered. Transition to a shot of a person looking frustrated at their phone. Narrator, let's start with the obvious, the Monzo app. It's your go-to for everything from checking your balance to making payments. But when it comes to customer service, the app can sometimes feel a bit like a maze. Show a quick montage of people trying to navigate the Monzo app's help section. Narrator, the Help Center is a great place to start. It's packed with FAQs, guides, and troubleshooting tips. But if you're still stumped, there's always the in-app chat. Just tap on the help icon and start typing. Show a person using the in-app chat feature. Narrator, the in-app chat is a good option for quick questions or general inquiries. You'll usually get a response from a chatbot, but if your issue is more complex, you might be able to escalate to a human agent. Transition to a shot of a person on the phone. Narrator, if you prefer to talk to someone on the phone, Monzo does have a customer service number. However, it's important to note that their phone lines can get busy, so you might have to wait a while before you're connected. Show a person waiting on hold. Narrator, while waiting on hold can be frustrating, it's worth the wait. A human agent can often provide more personalized assistance and resolve your issue more efficiently. Transition to a shot of a person using social media. Narrator, another option for contacting Monzo customer service is through social media. They are active on platforms like Twitter and Facebook, and you can often get a quick response to your questions. Show a person tweeting at Monzo's customer service account. Narrator, when reaching out on social media, be sure to include your account details and a clear description of your issue. This will help the customer service team assist you more effectively. Transition to a shot of a person looking satisfied. Narrator, so, there you have it. Those are the main ways to contact Monzo customer service. Whether you prefer to chat, call, or tweet, there's a method that's right for you. Show a quick montage of the different ways to contact Monzo customer service. Narrator, remember, the key to getting good customer service is being clear and concise in your communication. The more information you can provide, the better equipped the customer service team will be to help you. Transition to a final shot of the Monzo app. Narrator, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy banking.